you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Just 212 on 7500. Okay. Everything all right, man. You built everything yourself? Yeah, the doors, and then that Suburban 2 over, I built the doors on this too. Yeah. I built the doors on this one next. Man, how did you get the subs in there? Come around back.
Hey, Chief. Man, we are...
Okay. We got a window in the back. It was built for 298, but oh, yeah. And it worked great out with my buddy Will over there. Got the Onyx. The 4-inch 24. Okay, they don't look the original one. Yeah, they're the older one. Okay, they don't look like the new one. They've been around for a while. Yeah, I know the Magnum big yeah. You on social media anywhere they can follow you? Leslie Ritchie on Facebook. About it. Don't do much. I'm gonna try to tag you in a video, bro. Thanks, sir. Thanks, man.
Right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.